I'm Megan Abundis. I cover Jackson County. October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. So over the next 4 weeks, I'll take you inside the domestic violence court system in Kansas City, behind the bench, hearing from survivors and those charged with domestic violence. To start, let's explore how our court system DV load is unlike any others across the country.
This is a very serious problem in our city.
One courtroom, one judge. Judge Courtney Wachal has exclusive jurisdiction over all domestic violence violations in KC limits. She hears thousands and thousands of domestic violence cases each month.
Monday through Friday, 9 o'clock, I handle domestic violence cases. Kansas City is unusual in that more than 90% of domestic violence cases are filed in municipal court.
Only the most serious cases are filed at the county level as felonies or misdemeanors. Instead, most cases, everything from pushing to strangulation, land here as ordinance violations. Nearly 200 a day. The court is adapting to the large caseload by creating programming, targeting people who have the greatest potential to change to stop the cycle. And the statistics show it's working. More on that soon.
If I jailed every single domestic violence offender that came into my courtroom, they would probably be released after 4 months. They would be more angry at their intimate partner than they were before, and they would likely reoffend because they have not had anything to disrupt the cycle of violence.
Another part of the solution to the large caseload is moving more cases to the county and state level.
And the court is constantly innovating programming to try to address it, but some of these offenders do need to be charged with more serious offenses.
Jackson County Prosecutor Melissa Johnson has vowed to take on more.
I'm so proud of Prosecutor Melissa Johnson, who's indicated she's going to start trying to file more of these as felony cases,
which could also make the system easier to navigate for victims.
I think it's important that we acknowledge that in Kansas City, it's not easy. If you want to get an order of protection, you have to go to the Jackson County Courthouse. If someone violates the order of protection, they receive the charge in the municipal courthouse. If they get charged with a felony, it's at the Jackson County Courthouse.
In Kansas City, families, this judge, advocates, and prosecutors know the cycle of domestic violence and how quickly it can spiral out of control. Already, there have been 18 domestic violence homicides in Kansas City this year, compared to 12 all of last year. No one knows the consequences better than the families left behind.
Yes, I miss my daughter. She left behind 5 kids. She was shot in the back of the head walking out of a bedroom. If you see something, say something. Domestic violence is serious. Murder is serious. Because if not, you're going to be in my shoes. And this clown suit is one size fits all. It doesn't discriminate. It don't care where you come from.
It takes the average victim of domestic violence 8 times before they go through with prosecution. Judge Wachal says she is trying to create an environment where the court is always ready to hear them. Over the next couple of weeks, we'll bring you the stories of survivors and advocates, as well as offenders who have successfully completed some of the DV court programs. Plus, we'll reveal if they're working, recidivism stats, and a new program coming to KC soon. Megan Abundis, KSHB 41 News.